So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic Economic Policies and Development Strategies. So in short, stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. So in this video, we'll be considering counter trade. So let's head on to the question we have here. It says, counter trade was first introduced by the government led by A. Abdulsalami Abubakar, B. Olusegun Obasanjo, C. Muhammadu Buhari, D. Ibrahim Babangida. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's Ibrahim Babangida, and that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.